Welcome to the Stock Health series. In this series we are going to look at certain parameters and get to the final health score of the stock requested by you in the comments section. This is an advanced version of our basic explainer video. Please check out our Stock Health series explainer video first to fully understand this video. Link for the same is in the description. So let's start today's video. Today's stock is Titan, which was requested by one of our wonderful subscriber. It has a market cap around 3,30,000 crores and stock price around 3,700. Titan is in the lifestyle-related consumer goods industry. Jewelry is a major revenue driver, followed by watchmaking and other accessories. Overall industry growth is around 12%. Considering all the points, Titan gets business model score of 8 out of possible 10. In case of liquidity, let's look at these three parameters. Debt to equity is 1.56. Interest coverage is 6.48. And the current ratio is 1.34, which is okay as it is near 1. So we have a liquidity score of 3 out of 5. For activity score, let's look at the cash conversion cycle. Here, days of sales outstanding are 6 days, which is great. Days of inventory on hand is 186 days and payables is 11 days. So we have a cash cycle of 181 days, which is not the best. So we have an activity score of 6 out of possible 10. For profitability score, we will be looking at NPM, ROCE and ROE. Considering this data, Titan gets a profitability score of 4 out of 5. In terms of governance, promoter holding and pledge percentage are very important. In the case of Titan, promoter holding is around 52.9% and there are no shares pledged. So in the case of governance, Titan gets 7 out of possible 10. Consistency and stability can be measured using standard deviation on NPM, ROCE, asset turnover, and inventory turnover. Here all the numbers are 1.21, 6.38, 0.14, and 0.24 respectively. So, Titan gets 4 out of 5 in stability. In miscellaneous score, we will be looking for other pros and cons of the company. In Titan's case, they have a good market dominance in watch retailing, but on the negative side their all valuation metrics are high. So we have a score 6 off 10. Revenue growth of Titan in terms of compound annual growth rate for the last 3, 5, and 7 years is 28, 23 and 21 respectively. The estimated growth for revenue for the next 5 years is around 14%, which is great. So the growth score comes 15 out of 15. For valuation, we are checking 3 factors. First is price to sales, which is 5.5 for Titan, which is little higher than 5. Justified earnings, adjusted P, and current value of Titan are as follows. By multiplying earnings in PE, we get proper market value, which is 1,72,000 crores. The current value is way higher than the proper value. By estimating future value using CAGR, NPM, and PE, we get a forecasted value of 3 lakh crores, which shows negative returns in the next 5 years. The only way by which Titan can give positive returns is by higher than anticipated growth, or by sentimental overvaluation. So we reach a score of 13 out of possible 30 in valuation. So after evaluating all the points, the final score for Titan is 66 out of possible 100. You can pause the video for a summary. This video is only for educational purposes, not to be taken as investment advice. Do your due diligence before taking any investment decisions. Leave a comment about which stock would you love to see video on next.